What FuturICT will add to sociology is large-scale computing, and we need that because our theories are very difficult. And to understand their implications on a societal level, we need quick computers and we need the expert knowledge on how to use these computers. Plus, FuturICT will provide us with large-scale data, and we can use this data to test our theories. This will help us to develop better theories, more precise predictions, and test our theories. And this, in the end, will help us find better answers to our questions. I think the social sciences are already doing a great job. We have learned a lot in the last years. But we need to make an important step. We need to apply the theories and the knowledge that we have to a societal level. Economics is about big systems. It's about big markets with many players who react to each other. These are very complex social systems. To understand them and to test our theories about these systems, we need big data. We need a lot of data, and we need the computational techniques that allow us to test this data, to combine the data with our complex theories. For that, we need large-scale computing, quick computers, and the expert knowledge that shows us how to use these techniques. And this is what FuturICT is going to provide. I do a lot of agent-based modeling, and I have learned that if you have this perspective, you can find phenomena that you don't expect if you use standard modeling techniques. You can really find these situations where individuals follow very simple rules, and on the macro level, on a societal level, crazy things happen. We know, for example, that cities can segregate in the sense that there are neighborhoods where mainly black people live and mainly white people live, even though the individuals want to live in mixed neighborhoods. This can happen. To understand these things, we need agent-based modeling. I'm doing social sciences since a couple of years, and what I have learned is that we have very good theories that can predict social behavior. We are especially very good in predicting the behavior of individuals. We are pretty good in that. However, we also know that when many individuals act as a group and they react to each other, then it becomes very fuzzy and very difficult to understand what the group as a whole will do in the end. This is not because we cannot predict individual behavior. This is because the interplay of the behavior becomes very complex, and this is difficult to predict. So, in a way, this is what FuturICT is about. We want to elaborate the theories that we already have about group behavior and how this aggregates from individual behavior. I'm a sociologist, and I learned a lot about how individuals behave, and I learned a lot about how to test our theories. But then I worked together with a physicist, and I learned how physicists understand complex systems. Physicists have wonderful theories about water, about how droplets form. It doesn't mean that societies work in the same way, but they have developed methods and concepts that allow them to explain how water molecules act together and form droplets. We can use these methods and these concepts in the social sciences. And I hope that if you combine insights from many sciences, like physics, like computer science, like sociology and economics, in one big project where people, the best brains from the different fields, work together on the same question, we can get to a higher level of understanding.